No, this fight has just begun. Movements and revolutions, fueling from between. Movements and revolutions, that all come to live. This man is not so clear. Down the last moves that she said as we watch the city. Singing loud! And now we dance! To the relationships that we build right here, you know? If you do not know the person standing next to you, you extend your hand, you shake their hand, you make a new friend right here today. And tomorrow, the next day, when you pass each other on the street, you say, "What's up? Remember that great time we had watching Bad Religion and No Offense at the World Tour?" I sure as fucking hell do. Thank you guys very much. With all respect, we are Anti-Flag, and you are fucking awesome. Lend us your voices. Sing it so fucking loud that you won't be able to talk tomorrow. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the 103rd best drummer in the world, Mr. Patrick.